I was given an angle and two sides. I'm going to immediately do law of sines. So I'm going to do sine of 38 degrees over its side, 13, is equal to sine of B over 21. And I'm going to go ahead and solve. So multiply by 21, and those cancel. Multiply this side by 21. And next, so that's gone. Next, if I want to get rid of this sign, do the inverse. So those cancel out. I'm left with just B on this side. And then take the inverse of this side. So guys, type all of this into your calculator and let me know what angle B is supposed to be equal to. All right, say it to me one more time. 84 what? 0045. Okay, so guys, based off of this angle that they gave me and this angle, is that plausible? Since I need 3 angles to equal 180, is this plausible so far? Okay, so that means this is a triangle. Forget about the rules. Oh, is A bigger than B? Is B bigger than? Don't worry about the rules. Just test it with law of sines. We got something plausible. So this is a triangle. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a picture. They told me angle A was 38 degrees. Across from angle A is side A, and it's 13, I'll say inches or something. This is angle B. I just found it. It's about 84 degrees. And across from angle B is 21. So these are the details that they gave me. Now, the question was, how do I know if there is one triangle or 2 triangles? So I've determined that this is a triangle. Now I want to know if it's one of them or 2 of them. So I cannot change this. This was given, and this length was given. However, I can change this angle because they didn't give me that angle. So let's suppose I did this and made a different triangle. Say I rotated this side this way and put it right here. I'm just rotating this side of the triangle, this 13. I just rotated it and created this other triangle. I did not change the length. This is 13 inches, and I'm going to say this is 13 inches. All I did was just rotate this side to be over here. That means if this is 13 and this is 13, if this is 84, this is also 84. Because it's an isosceles triangle. This is on a straight line. So then what is this other side of the angle? You're going to do 180, subtract 84.0045. Let me know what that is. $95 point what? 9955. Thank you. Okay, so guys, this second triangle that I just created, this is still 21, that was given. This side is still 13, that was given. This angle is 38, that was given. We just figured out this is supposed to be 99, about 95, 96 degrees. 95.99 degrees. Is this plausible? Okay, then that means there's 2 triangles. This one that I just drew and this original one.
The 95 is for which angle?
Right here. Because this side, we saw that it was 84. That means this is 84. That means the other side has to be 95 or 95.99. Because it's a supplementary angle. They have to add to 180. So that means there are 2 cases here. There's 2 different triangles. So you're going to solve for both of them. Go ahead and find the, let's go back to the original triangle. If I do 180 degrees minus 84.0045 degrees minus 38 degrees, that will give me angle C. And then if you want to find the missing side, just use law of sines. So I can do sine of 38 with the 13. And I don't know side C, but you can figure out this angle. What did you guys get for this angle after you put this in the calculator? 57.99 what? 56. Thank you. So I'll do sine of that. 57.9956 degrees. Okay, go ahead and solve this. All you have to do is multiply both sides by sine of 57.9956. Those cancel. Multiply this side. Sine 57.9956. Put this in your calculator and you'll get side C. So you found all the lengths and angles for triangle ABC. Now find it for A prime, B prime, and C prime. You know that this has to be 95.99, so you can find that angle. Use law of sines to find this side.